Hi, my name is Daniela, and today I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Substance Painter and bake your assets so you can apply your textures. Make sure your output size is on a good quality. Apply diffusion, dilation width is between 8 and 10. All your maps are on, and make sure you go to the common settings and you put on self-occlusion to always and analyzing to super sampling ×4, and then you can hit bake on your assets. So I made Coca-Cola inspired chairs for my fairy, and I thought it was so cute. This was a project I did in 2023, and here's a mushroom with like pencils. It was like for the whole diorama. So I'm just changing the output size, apply diffusion, dilation width, put it down to about 7 or 10. Super sampling ×4. Make sure all your maps are there. And your self-occlusion to always. Then you can go to Adobe Substance Painter and start a new project and import that FBX file that you got from your Maya, and you just bring that in. Then you can hit that little croissant and you can bake. So it's the same process for each and every asset. I'm just showing you again to put your output size to about a 2K or 4K. Should be good depending on your device that you have. I just love how beautiful baking looks. Thank you so much. Please can you support my art?